Vermont. What exactly does Vermont mean to me? Vermont to me has been not just the place that I was born and raised, but it's the place that I have found who I really am, and I have found the enjoyments of life. I have created a lot of memories. They can go from good to bad memories. I have struggled hard at times, but then thinking the beauty of Vermont and all the wonderful things that this state has, it's brought me to realize that you don't always need to live in a giant city in order to, per se, get great photography or great videos. You can live in a state that everyone thinks poorly on, and everyone's like, that state doesn't have anything to offer. But guess what? It does. This state has muddy roads, long car rides, snow, and much, much more. As a matter of fact, it has beautiful sunsets, beautiful long walks on the dirt roads where you'll see all sorts of things. Vermont is my home, and it always will be my home. And I'm glad to be a Vermonter.